Good morning, students. Welcome to the digital learning class. To the 4th standard social studies class. In last class, we have learnt the 10th lesson, the coastal plains and islands. In this video, we will learn 11th lesson, forest. In this part 1, we will learn forest as an important natural resource and types of forest and their importance. First, nature has given us many things like air, water, animals, plants life, soil, and minerals, and many other things. They are called natural resources, which help us directly and indirectly to survive. Now comes, what is forest? Forest means what? A forest is a large area of land thickly covered with trees and having a rich natural environment. Wild animals and plants living in forests depend on them for their survival. Forests are rich in natural vegetation, trees and plants that grows without being planted by man as well as wildlife. Now comes importance of forest. Trees produce oxygen during photosynthesis, which is vital for life of earth. They are rightly called the earth lungs. See students, trees produce oxygen during photosynthesis, which is vital for our life on earth. So, trees rightly called the earth lungs. See students, the earth lungs. Human lungs, you know now. See this one, human lungs. So, trees are very important role in our life. This is called, that's why the trees are called the earth's lung. Trees growing in forests provide us shade and also keep the surrounding areas cool. Forests provide food and shelter for wild animals. Forests absorb many toxic gases and thus purify the air. The roots of trees hold the forest soil particles together and prevent soil erosion. Forests also give us different kinds of fruits, nuts, and medicinal herbs. See students, the forest give us many things. The leaf, bark, see students, The leaf, bark, and fruits of some trees, such as Eucalyptus, cinchona, and tulsi, are known to cure infection or diseases miraculously. The wood we get from trees is also very useful. We use it for making furniture, door and windows of houses, boards, ships, and firewood. Now, soft wood is used for making paper, plywood, pencil, and matchsticks. Resin from trees is also used manufacturing paints, varnish, and a number of other things. People do not have access to the gas stove, have to depend on firewood, which they get from trees. Forests give us many things like rubber, lac, gum, and honey. Valuable forests produce. Now comes types of forest in India. India is a large and geographically diverse country. Indian forests include evergreen forest, deciduous forest, coniferous forest, and thorn and scrub forest. They are found in different regions and influence the life of people there in many ways. See students, in India there are four types of forest found. First one is evergreen forest, second one deciduous forest, third one coniferous forest, fourth one thorny or scrub forest. First we will see the evergreen forest. As the name suggests, evergreen forest looks green all through the year. This is because trees in these forests do not shed all their leaves at the same time. The trees are very tall and have hard wood. In India, evergreen forests are dense forests found in the hot, wet regions that receive heavy rainfall. Evergreen forests are found on the slopes of the Western Ghats in the Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. In these states we found the evergreen forest. They are also present in northeastern states of India. See students, northeastern states, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura and West Bengal, as well as in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See students, also we found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now comes deciduous forest. Deciduous forests are also called the monsoon forest. Deciduous trees shed their leaves every year. In India, deciduous forests are found in the foothills of the Himalayas and the Deccan plateaus, as well as in states like Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Bihar. The main trees in these forests are teak, mahua, sal and sesame. Now comes third one, coniferous forest. Coniferous forests are mostly found on the slopes of Himalayas. Tall cone-shaped trees we find. Leaves are found along the higher slopes of mountains. Their wood is soft. Pine, spruce and fir are common coniferous trees. Now comes fourth one is thorny or scrub forest. Thorny or scrub forest are mostly found in and around the dry areas, desert areas of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Rajasthan, some part of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and part of the Deccan Plateau. We find mostly bushes growing in such forest. The trees have long roots, thick bark and small thorns and can survive on very little water for a long time. Thorny and scrub forests are mostly babul, kikar and date palms. See students, thorny and scrub forests have mostly babul, kikar and date palms. These trees are found. So students, here is finished first part. Next we will see in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.